guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Erica and welcome to a Pack With Me vlog, guys. We're going to Sedona, Arizona. I'm so excited. I have been before, but it's been like 10 years since we've gone, so I'm so excited to go back, do some hikes I haven't done before. And yeah, in this vlog, I'm going to show you everything I'm packing for this trip, from clothes to shoes to what's in my hiking bag. We're gonna cover it all, so I hope you guys are excited. If you are, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and let me show you what we're packing for Sedona. Now, before we really dive into everything, I just want to give you like a little overview of the trip. So we're going early in November, basically the first weekend in November. We're going for a long weekend. We'll be there for 4 days. We're going to mostly stay in Sedona, but we will be taking a day trip to the Grand Canyon, and it's going to be me and my brother and my mom and dad. My husband unfortunately can't come because he is out of vacation days this year with the wedding and our honeymoon and everything. But honestly, this trip started as my brother wanting to go on a trip for his birthday. And he called me, he's like, hey, do you want to go? And knowing me, ericka.adventures, yes, I always want to go. And then my parents were like, oh, well, we want to go. So it kind of just turned into a family trip. But I'm so stoked. It's going to be so much fun. We have an amazing Airbnb that I can't wait to show you. But yeah, that's kind of like the overview of our trip. And you know what? Let's go ahead and start diving into the clothes on the bed. So we are in our spare bedroom right now, and this is what I love to do every trip is lay everything out, clothes, everything, so I have a good visualization of what I'm bringing for this trip. Now, I am going to bring my big suitcase just because I got some kind of chunkier hiking boots and, you know, some coats and stuff, so I'm going to need some more space. But let's just go ahead and start here. I have 2 ball caps, 3 tank tops. This is mostly all very casual wear because, again, we're going to be doing a lot of hiking. 2 t-shirts, 1 is in the wash right now. A pair of gym shorts, a pair of jeans, 3 leggings, 1 is in the wash. A pair of joggers, these are my pajamas. A rain jacket, 2 long sleeve, 2 flannels, a coat, a puffer vest under there. These are like my 2 nice outfits for dinner. And then I have 2 sweatshirts, this Patagonia and this Lululemon like quarter zip. I have a bathing suit, and we'll get into like the miscellaneous stuff. But moving on with clothes, I have a hat, a little like, what is this? Like a headband, there we go, a nice warm headband, and 2 pairs of mittens. So let's go ahead and look at what the weather is going to be like so I can show you why I packed what I packed. So this is currently the weather right now for our trip. So we're going to get there Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, go back Tuesday. So unfortunately, it's looking like rain on Sunday, which is kind of a bummer because we definitely weren't planning for that. You know, being in the desert, we're like, oh, this will be a perfect trip, you know, weather-wise. But we do have some rain in the forecast. And then it's going to be like, you know, mid-60s, 50s, low 40s. So that is why I'm bringing a lot of layers, you know, like the tank tops, the t-shirts, the long sleeve, the hats and mittens. You know, you just got to pack in layers on trips like this because you just never know what the weather is going to be. And I'm also bringing that rain jacket for when it rains. And yeah, I feel like this is a good like mix of stuff because I feel like I'm not sure how warm the 60s are going to be because sometimes, you know, 60s can be chilly or they can be hot. And especially when you're hiking and you're moving your body, you're going to be a little bit warmer. So definitely we'll be starting with tank tops, shorts underneath, and then layering off as we go. And as you can see with all the clothes, they're all very casual, outdoorsy, athleisure clothes. We don't really have that much planned besides like dinner reservations. And honestly, this trip is really focused on being outdoors as much as possible. So for like nice outfits for dinner, I have like 2 to 3 outfits. We'll be there 4 nights, so I definitely will be repeating like my dinner outfits, but I'm just keeping it really simple, just a sweater and jeans and a pair of like cute little fall boots. I didn't want to go too overboard with fancy outfits, and I'm totally fine with re-wearing them also because I know I want to focus more on like being more comfortable on the hikes, and I wanted to make sure my suitcase space was dedicated more to the clothes I'd be wearing on the hike. So I usually will plan like my outfits and take pictures in them and try everything on, which I did for like the dinner outfits, but the hiking outfits, they're just hiking outfits. I mean, I'm just gonna go with whatever I want to wear that day, kind of go outside first right before I get ready for the day, see how I feel, and then put on what I think I'm gonna want. But yeah, that's everything for clothes wise. I know we kind of zip through it, but it's all pretty easy stuff, just layers and a lot of basic t-shirts, long sleeves. Try to stay in the same color scheme so that way you can mix and match stuff. But let me show you like, not accessories, but miscellaneous stuff that I'm bringing as well. So these are the shoes I'm packing. As you saw, I already showed you this pair. These are going to be like my going out to dinner shoes, but then these two are going to be like my hiking shoes. So these are my hiking boots, and these are hand-me-downs from grandma actually, but they're super comfortable and just what I need for the trip, so I'm going to pack those. And then these I need to clean because they're a little dirty, but these are Vessi 100% waterproof shoes. I'm obsessed with these shoes. I've talked about them before on the channel because I've worked with them in the past, and these are their newest shoe that I just worked with them. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but I really do love these shoes. And because the forecast calls for rain, I thought it'd be good to bring these, and also good to like mix up the boots with the tennis shoes. Like, I feel like if I wear the boots the whole time, my feet might kind of start to ache. It's just nice to like mix it up. So yeah, those are the shoes. I'm not going too crazy. If anything, I might pack a pair of flip-flops just to wear around in the Airbnb. Actually, now that I'm saying that, yes, I definitely want to do that. I don't know. I just like wearing like kind of some indoor shoes when I'm in new places. But yeah, those are the shoes. And then over here, well, this is my neck pillow for the plane, which I got this off Amazon. I think it was around $30. It comes with an eye mask and earplugs. Use it on our flight to Italy for our honeymoon. Really, really love that. So I'll have it linked down below. And then I have just a fanny pack if I want to use this. It's from Aerie, I believe, from a couple years ago. And then this is my hiking bag. Got it off Amazon. I will have it linked down below. It is absolutely perfect. It's not too big. Like, I'm not like a hours and hours hiker, so I feel like this is a good size. It holds pretty much everything I want, and it's been just a great bag. So yeah, that is that bag. And then this will be my fancy purse, if you will, for going out to dinner. Also off Amazon. I will have it linked down below. But yeah, that's kind of the shoes and the bags. Now, I also thought it might be helpful to show you what I'm going to be packing in my hiking bag pretty much every day. Now, it might vary depending on like the weather that day. Like some days I might bring my rain jacket. Actually, scratch that. I've known in the past to always bring your rain jacket, even if it doesn't call for rain. But yeah, like if it's colder that day, I'll probably bring like an extra layer. But these are going to be like the bare necessities that I'm going to bring every day with me. So first things first, extra pair of socks. Always recommend this just in case my shoes do get wet, which shouldn't happen if I wear my Vesties, but if I'm wearing my hiking boots, it will just be nice to have an extra pair to change into because there's nothing worse than wet socks. I'm also going to bring a pair of mittens. It'll probably be colder in the morning hikes and towards the afternoon, evening time, so it's always nice to put some mittens on. I find my hands get really cold, so that'll be easy to bring. I'm also going to bring like a little travel hairbrush, you know, in case like my hair gets tangled and I want to comb it out. Also going to bring sunglasses, chapstick. My lips get so chapped, and I know Sedona is a very dry climate, so I'm going to be putting a lot of chapstick on every night. I'm going to be doing my lotion routine and everything because I just don't want dry skin and dry lips. Speaking of dry skin, I'm also going to bring a little lotion just in case I need that. Some Tylenol. I'll probably put this in like a little Ziploc bag so it doesn't have to take up too much room, but just in case I get a headache or anything. I'm also gonna bring a little travel deodorant. I bring this with me when I hike, when I go to Disney. It's just nice to freshen up sometimes. So I'm gonna bring that. I'm also gonna bring my portable charger, which I forgot to show earlier, but I will be bringing this just to charge my phone or my camera or anything. And then again, this is like a little Band-Aids emergency kit just in case I get a blister or something. But that's gonna be pretty much the bare minimum. Also, not shown here, but a water bottle and probably like a granola bar and some snacks. I think our plan is once we arrive on Friday, we have a morning flight, so we'll get there in the morning, early afternoon time. We're definitely going to go to the grocery store and get snacks and breakfast food and sandwiches. Mostly all of our meals will be like breakfast, snacks, and lunch will be stuff we pack with us, and then we'll just go out to dinner. But yeah, that's gonna be what I bring in my hiking bag. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I want to show you guys. Oh yeah, my suitcase and my backpack, so let me show you that. So this is one of my away suitcases. This is the larger one that I own. I'm not sure if they have bigger sizes than this one, because I got this suitcase many years ago, and honestly these suitcases, they're an investment, but I think they're very well worth it because they come with like a lifetime warranty, and mine has held up so good throughout the years. But yeah, this is basically the size of it. They might have bigger sizes now, but this for me is just my big suitcase. So that's the one I will be taking. And then I'm also going to be taking this backpack, which I got off Amazon, and this has been my personal bag on all of my flights, and I love it so much. I've done like more reviews and like in-depth on this backpack, but I probably won't go into that today. But it is just a great backpack. It has so many pockets, so many compartments, like just perfect for organizing, which is very key to me. Like I like to be organized when I travel. But yeah, those are my bags. I'm just like looking around the room to make sure I showed you everything, and I think we got it all. Honestly, this trip was pretty easy to pack for. Usually, like with the trip, especially if it's a big trip, it'll take me maybe like a week to pack just because I want to make sure I have everything. But this is a quick trip, and it's also like really easy clothes to pack for because it's all like athleisure wear, hiking outfits, like really easy stuff to put together. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I am so psyched to take you guys with us to Sedona, Arizona. It is going to be amazing, and it's been so much fun like researching for this trip too, because we have been before, but I know there's things that like we missed the first time we went, so I'm really excited to go back and do the hikes I didn't get to do the first time around. And also, I'm so excited to see the Grand Canyon again. I remember the first time I saw it, like it literally takes your breath away, and it's been years since I've seen it, so I'm really excited to go back and see the Grand Canyon and take you guys along. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our Sedona adventures. I will see you guys in Sedona.